Alrighty, it's Jason with J-Tech, and today we're going to be speaking about some tools and special equipment that we're going to be using when we go to rebuild an engine. There's a lot of special measurements you have to do on this, and a lot of different equipment you need to perform those measurements. So today I'm just going to run over the basics. I'm going to go over each one of these real quick, show you how to use it and what it is and the purpose of it. So give me just a couple of minutes and I will show you. Alright, so I've got all the tools laid out. I'm going to go over each one and its purpose. This right here is the snap gauge. And when you're using this, this is used to measure the bore, which I know you can see that right there. You put your gauge inside and then you snap it open. Right here you loosen this up. This is going to snap open. It's spring loaded, and then once you get the measurement of the bore, you're going to tighten it back down and pull it out of the bore, and you're going to measure that, the width from here to here. And a simple way of doing that is using this. Alright, so we can use our micrometer to measure this.
Is it the regular micrometer?
So this is our manual micrometer, and right here we've got a digital micrometer as well. It's a lot simpler to use. With this you can actually measure something from the outside or the inside. It's got two different sides. This is for the outside of, and this is to measure the inside. Let's get all this out of the way. Snap gauge. Right here we've got a cylinder hone. So you set this inside the cylinder bore. You're going to tighten this down, and as you do that, the blades are going to come out. It's going to hone out the cylinder bore. It just fits right in here. Then you open it out, and it's going to get all those little ridges out for you. And this right here is my favorite tool. Alright, I'm sorry about that. That last tool I just showed you was not a cylinder hone, it was a ridge cutter. Sorry about that. This right here is your cylinder hone. And this is the Dingleberry style. This gets the glaze off the cylinder bore. It's kind of hard to see, but it goes in, and you have a drill hooked up to the other end. And you're just going to spin it in there. I mean, it's a little tight. It's going to re-glaze it for you.
Some of the tools we use.
Alrighty, so I've got this dial indicator. It's the vice grip style. Get it set up. We're going to check out the end play on this crankshaft. So we get the dial indicator pressed up against, and we can reset it to 0. I'm going to have my assistant tighten it down. 1 second. Alright, now we're going to take just a normal flat head and not damage just any surfaces of the block or the crankshaft. And then we're going to test the end play. So, if there's any in here. Oh, there we go. It looks like about 3/1000 of an inch.